Hello, my dear viewers. This is Discuss Copy Webinars, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm your host. Today is 28th of July 2023, last trading day of the week, and also the last, not the last trading day of the month, because 31st is also a trading day, which is Monday. But this is a very significant day of the week. At least approximately month is ending today. First, let me introduce myself in a quick 1 minute. I am Dukas Copy's trading community member. I have been trading with Dukas Copy Bank from a long time. They're trustworthy. Okay. See, in this field, there are a lot of scammers around here. But believe me, Dukas Copy Bank is a bank with a good reputation. And I have, as of now, till now, I have never heard anything that is against Dukas Copy, like some scam or something. Okay. Yes, they are strict. Compliance is very strict, but there's no scamming or something. So since I'm the member of the community, but I'm not the employee of Dukas Copy Bank. Therefore, all the trading views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this webinar, they are of my own. And so because I am not affiliated with Dukas Copy or not, I am an employee of them. So all the views are of my own. It has nothing to do with the bank. So what we are going to do in the next few minutes is we'll try to find out the key levels of importance of all the instruments that we see. And when I say that important levels or the key levels, I mean these are the levels of inflection from where the price, if it breaks that level, there's a possibility that it will continue moving in the same direction for a long time. And if it reverses from that direction, that means this is a potential trend reversal. So this is the important level where you should be expecting some action. Some action means more action than the normal action. Okay. Now, as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we'll not talk about any other information regarding what is happening in which country, what is the CPI data, what is the GDP, whatever, or employment, unemployment. Everything comes on the chart immediately. So let's not talk about anything else, but focus ourselves on the charts. And for our analysis purpose, we will be using the candlestick type of charts. Without further ado, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, and then quickly we will go to the charts. First thing first, on the charts, that is the US dollar index. This is a must. This chart for every trader should be the starting point if you are trading the currencies and the international commodities, of course. That's why. So what is this chart suggesting us? I hope anybody has joined. Has anybody joined? Hello. All right. Nobody has said anything like hello, hi. I think nobody's here, or the chat is not working. Maybe people are shy. Is my voice going through? All right, even if you see the recorded version of this one, you should know that dollar index is very important to have on your charts. And in the longer run, actually on the dollar index, I'm expecting a downtrend here. Okay, with this peak, with this dip to the 99.20, there was a slight reversal here. Okay, from this low, then it made a high, and then this lower low, and then it made a reversal. Now this may be a potential uptrend, but I think this potential uptrend will last only up to 102.22. That is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a huge sell-off at this area. Why there is so much of doubt here? Okay, so there's a bigger channel, and inside that bigger channel there is a smaller channel. So there is a confluence of resistance in this zone. Even this area is also important. This area may be a seller's area. But essentially 102.22 was the previous levels of importance. That's why I said that this area may provide a huge resistance to the dollar. Or you can, in other words, you can say that the dollar whoever is long in the dollar, he will try to either short sell it at 102.22 area, or maybe try to book his profits at 102.22 area. Okay. That is what my point is. On the lower side, 100.44 is the support. That means if the price comes back to this area, the buyers will try to re-enter the market. Euro has found support at the key level, that was the monthly line 1.0950, and today the low that the price had made was 1.0943 area. So yes, the low made is on the support, but it has not found enough buyers to push the prices higher. So if I draw a channel like counter trending channel, of course the trend is up, that is for sure, no doubt about it. But if I have to draw a channel, I think we still need this channel to break to the upside for us to become buyers, and we will be in the buying bias with till the time the price is trading above 1.0833 area. But should we buy right now? No, I will not suggest that you should buy right now. No. Yes, it is a break and retest, but I need this channel to get cleared so that we can comfortably buy with the hope of 1.2756 area maybe. Okay, but sorry, 1.1275 area maybe. But right now I'm not buying this market because there's an upside resistance around 1.01095 area, so I'm not buying this market. On the downside, we have support at 1.0833 if the price breaks below, and if it breaks higher than 1.1095 area is the resistance for the euro. Pound also actually I'm not buying this market because there is a channel which is the downtrending channel, and the price has also broken below this long-term rising channel and given us a clean close above that, below that, and 1.2883 is the crucial resistance which the price has just tested just now, and I am expecting the price to reach 1.2750 before it rises further. So my expectation is that there is a possibility of 130 pips loss. There is a potential loss of 130 pips from where it is trading right now, but with the green candle we do not sell the market, so I will just wait and watch what happens next week. Maybe after that I would like to have a position in the pound. That will depend on whether the price trades below 1.2750 or not. If it trades below 1.2750, we will see it, but even 1.2750 I am not very confident about this price action here, so I will be looking at 1.2590 area. Australian dollar, a huge sell-off. The price finally went out of this smaller triangle, or you can say this wedge also, and after that close yesterday, today it found resistance at that area. That means 0.6594 is possible in this market. Any trade below 0.6594 will open up the way for this low, and this low is sitting at around 0.6457 area. So keep an eye on 0.6594 and 0.6457. These areas are important in the Australian dollar. Nothing much is happening. Okay, so here also the price is going down, up, so expect a lower high here and then maybe a potential dip towards 0.6050, but in the process this rising channel will keep providing support to the price. Till the time the price is trading above this rising channel support, you can expect a buying opportunity. But in this case also this channel is still intact. Okay. USD JPY, huge push and pull is going on between the buyers and the sellers. Yesterday there was a huge sell-off in this pair. Today there is an inside bar but green in color. Yesterday the pair traded in the range of almost 300 pips. This is huge one day movement, but today also there's an inside bar, but yes, this is the positive one, and this channel's resistance area is not providing resistance to the price now, so it gives me a caution again. If somebody has sold it here and he has a stop loss here, then it is good, but if he has no stop loss here and he maybe trailed his stop loss, he's already out of the market. So my advice is stay away from this market. It is not providing good opportunities, but it may take out your stop losses, and there is a formation of somewhat like a triangle here. What you can do is you can actually monitor this market now in the form of a triangle. Okay, like this. USD CAD, yesterday there was a close above the triangle's resistance. Today it dipped to the levels of the previous highs and then was bought back immediately. So what does it suggest? It suggests us that there is a possibility of more buying in this market with a target of 1.3386. We will keep it, and if the price does not trade above this falling trend line, then that will not be possible. So we need a close above this line, but that should be green in color. Right now this particular candle is not suggesting anything of that, So we'll wait for next week, and if we see the price comfortably trading above this falling trend line, then maybe we can buy this market with a target of 1.3386. Although I am not very confident about this market going higher, because the structure of the market is still downtrending structure. Why it is downtrending structure? You see here, doom, 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 and I'm expecting now a lower high to be formed, which is very much possible around 1.3263. Let's see how the things unfold in the future. USD CHF 0.8757 and 0.8819 area. These are the crucial levels which I would like to see before next leg lower, and that may be seen, I think, next week. Okay, these are the two levels of importance. On the upside, 0.8757, 0.8819. On the lower side, we have 0.8631, which now may be removed. Okay, 0.8554, no, 0.8552 is the area which we would like to be tested in the near future. But before that, I think the price is going to test 0.8757 or maybe 0.8819. Crucial level for silver. Yesterday we draw a channel by joining these two highs and this low, and I think the price will go again towards this area to test it as a fresh resistance and then come back down, because for some time at least it will be going down. Here from this candle it looks like that the sellers are in control of the market right now, or maybe whenever the price pushes higher, at least towards these lows of this candle 24.50. I think at 24.50 we may find that the sellers have started entering the market, but today I am not sure. But next week, yes, there is a possibility of the prices going even further south towards 22.50, and in this process this long-term trend line will be providing support to the price. Nothing else is there on the way to provide support to the silver but this rising trend line only. Gold also has broken down, finally given us a close, but today the inside bar, that means 1967 still may be a resistance. We will only know about it next week or maybe after a few hours. We only have 4 hours of trading left, so I'm expecting 1967 to act as a resistance, and the lower prices of 1937 and 1892 are always also possible in this market. Yesterday I have mentioned, I think if the price trades below this, and it has already traded below this, it doesn't matter whether it closed below or doesn't or didn't. Okay, if it would have closed below, then we would have looked this as the selling opportunity. Now it has only traded below it, that means the sellers are in control, so any rise or any pullback should be seen as a selling opportunity. So 1967, and even if it tests this area, this should be seen as a selling opportunity in this market. Brent, it is trying to go higher, but it is getting equal selling pressure from the higher side. You see there are 3 pin bars, or you can say there are 3 dojis. That means the buyers are equally stronger, the sellers are equally stronger, and today it looks like, just now after looking at this candle, it looks like that the buyers are trying to take control of the market, but they are already in the control. So 87.46 is the extent where I think the price can go, but if they fail to take the price away from here, then it can revert back to 80.91 and maybe even to 78.16, which is a very crucial level. If the price has to sustain this uptrend, it has to trade above 78.16. if it trades below that, then this uptrend will be sabotaged and the price will return back to 74.54 and maybe even 71.48 in this market. Bitcoin, nothing new, closed below the crucial support. Now it is acting as a resistance. Nothing has changed in the Bitcoin. Ethereum, something has changed. Yes, day before yesterday there was a close above this counter trending channel, and it is actually moving against the Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going down, it is going up. Bitcoin is breaking the support area, Ethereum is breaking the resistance area, so this is good for the Ethereum. Higher targets of 2026 will be possible if it trades above the high of this candle, which is around 1884.5. Any trade above 1884.5 will open the way for 2026. On the contrary, if it trades below 1816, it will open the way for 1621 in the near future. Euro New Zealand, like I said, that we are buyers in this market, but we need a good level to buy. So 1700, 1.7600, 1.7600 area is a good level to buy this market. Right now, wherever the price is trading is not a good level, because you will have a huge stop loss, 200 points of stop loss, potential take profit of only 177. But if we buy it here and keep a stop loss here of 100 points and then target this 300 or 466 points, then it will be a better idea. Yes, this is a buy, but not at the current levels. Euro against the Australian is trying to rise, but we need a rise above this neckline. Till the time it doesn't rise above this neckline, we cannot buy this market. So till now we are away from this market, but we are still keeping it on our charts so that we can analyze it daily and we can have a track of what is happening in the euro against the Australian dollar. Australian dollar today lost a lot, so that's why it is falling against the other currencies. Here also you can see that there was a crucial level. I was expecting the price to rise towards 1.1052, but this was a crucial break. This was like a hangman and it was broken. Once the hangman breaks, then this level becomes the resistance, and that is exactly what is happening. So it is a textbook example of a hangman break, and now I think the next level is 1.0718 in this market. Till the time 1.0829 is holding as the resistance. GBPAUD, we were looking for a selling position here, but the price broke to the higher side. 1.9391 is the resistance now. The support lies at 1.8850. US 30, okay, yesterday only we have hinted that there is a bearish engulfing at the resistance, so there is a possibility that the price will revert back to 34,921 area, and that is exactly what it looks like is happening. Okay, that is exactly what it looks like is happening. So yes, if 35,494 price mark holds, then the price may revert back to 34,921 for the next buying opportunity for the buyers. Right now it looks like the market is heavy and the buyers are not interested at such high levels. The sellers may be interested in booking the profits. So this selling may bring the markets toward 34,921. CAD JPY, all the targets that we had expected have been met. If we trade below 104.24 now, then 100.87 will be exposed. And right now the price is just moving like USD JPY. It is moving up, but for this market 106.55 is the level, which is a very crucial level of resistance now, and this is an inside bar. So tomorrow and day after, okay, so there is no trading on tomorrow and day after. So on Monday or day after Monday, that is Tuesday, expect the price to start reverting back to 104.24 and maybe even to 100.87 in the near future. Canadian dollar against the Swiss franc, nothing much. First it breaks out, then it breaks down, then it goes nowhere. So CAD CHF is just consolidating, nothing much in this one. GBP CAD, yes, it is also consolidating, but there is a possibility of an explosive move either to the higher side or to the downside. In both the cases, this is going to be an explosive move, because GBP CAD, when it moves very much. This movement here only is 313 points. On the downside, there is a possibility of 335 points. If you get a buy here, you will have possibility of 435 points with a small 70 to 80 points of support, so stop loss. So yes, this can be a great trade provided we wait for the price to give us some signal. Right now there is no hint, so I am staying away from this market, but as soon as we see a close outside this zone, we should try and open positions. USA Tech on the line of US Dow Jones, it is also trying to go higher, but see, Dow Jones has broken below already. Dow Jones has already broken below and it has given us a bearish engulfing on the daily, whereas US Tech has not given us any bearish engulfing on the daily, although it has given, yes, but today there's a challenge to the sellers that no, we are going up. But still, for this market, 15,933 will be a good resistance, crucial resistance. Support may be provided by this rising channel support line dynamically, or 15,265 levels as the horizontal support. That's all from my side, guys. If you have any question, you can ask me from using the chat box, which is provided to the right side of the video. If no, then I would like to conclude the webinar. All right, I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming hours and days. Please keep in mind that you should be risking only 1% or less than that of your entire account on any single trade. And if you find that your risk is more, so you should adjust your position size in such a manner that even if you are wrong in your analysis and you lose and your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1% of your entire equity on that single stop loss hit. That is the essence, because if you do this, you will realize that you will never be able to blow your account even with the false trades. That's all, guys. Thank you very much for being here. With this note, I shall end this live stream, and press the like button for if you find this video useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. See you tomorrow, not tomorrow. Have a good weekend, and see you again on Monday maybe. Have a good weekend. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.